So the city of New Bedford, I just saw the ladder truck pull up. They're pulled up, and it looks like what they're doing is they're fixing a car. They're doing something with a car. So, like, it doesn't make any sense. Why would you bring a whole ladder truck over here? You're not fighting a fire for a car. What a waste of taxpayers' money. What a waste of the city's money. That's a big apparatus to be just driving all the city for nothing. Alright, so they're now all out looking at this lady's car. I mean, unless if there's some kind of potential danger, which I'm probably sure there isn't. What is going on here? Very, very bizarre. I just don't get it. I can't understand what they're doing at this girl's car. Again, what a waste. Taxpayers' money. For what? Where do you see the fire over here? Absolutely not one. So there's 4 firefighters helping this lady. And what's crazy is I'll be walking across the street in a little while to find out exactly what happened and why they came over here. Because I'm curious. So to be continued. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.